Hello guys, today we learn about in Revit how to draw a building in the help of the Revit software, and next how we will see in the how to give the ceiling and roofing and flooring we can see in this video. Now we should open the Revit software file and click on it, and then after interface like this, next go for the architectural template only. Why? Because the construction template, structural template, it will be there, and for that level we can give the radius also. So first of all we should import the file for here. Which type of we can draw the structure. Go for the insert and go for the image file here, click on the image, and next which here I got saved in the pictures. This update plan. This is my plan, and we can place it here simply. And next okay, we can see here this is the my plan, and this is the length of the 62 feet, and this is the outer layer 62 feet, and 53 feet 2 inches is the outer layer. Okay, for left side and right side it has some values is there. See, like this, and we should draw the here this we should add the levels. First of all we should add the levels here, and go for the architect and go add the click on the elevation building and click on it, which you want as a east face or a north face or south face or west face, your wish. You select the one level elevation buildings for that, and next you go for the architect and click on the levels here, and simply added here levels with how many levels you want. You require means you click on like this and paste it and click on escape, and little more zoom it and click on level 1 as name as GL is the ground level, and enter it and click on double enter. We can in the left side we can see here the floor plan we can name as a GL. Here we can change as 6 inches and enter it. We can be directly changes, and level 2 is a ground GS, it means ground floor slab, and enter it. Okay, it will be coming in the mm. For that I want to change the inches. For that you enter it, click on the UN, it will be coming the length, and we click on it, it will be changing as feet and inches. Click on it and click on OK. Next click on OK, it will be changes in the inches. See, like this, and it will be changed as okay. Cancel. Double click on it. For this I want to giving the boundary layer. First of all it is the name as 4 feet 6 inches. 4 feet is it's enough, and enter it. It will be changes the direction toward the downwards, and this is the boundary layer. BL is the capital BL and boundary layer. Enter it, and next level 2 as double click on it. It is the further height of the building is the 10 feet, and towards the here up to G ground floor towards upward direction it will be changes, and click on the level 2. We can name as first floor slab, and first floor level, and enter it. Okay, and next little more zoom it zoom out and click on this value. Level 5 we can leave as the 11 feet, means it will be consist on the slab surface, and enter it and click on level 5. We can change as the first floor slab and enter it. It's completed. And next of all, this is the level 6 and click on the level 6. It will be changes the split zoom out, and it is here which you want to add another floor, means you can change, you can give the level for this level, and toward the 10 feet height, towards the height. So I want to giving the pyramid wall for this 30 pyramid wall. It consists only 3 feet towards the first floor slab, towards the upward direction. It is the 3 feet only. 3 feet. Enter it. Oh, sorry. This is the 14 feet. Enter it towards the upward direction. It will be calculated towards the 0 levels. Is there no here? This point for and this point to the calculate for this level. For level 6, there is the rename as a pyramid wall, and enter it. It will be consist. Here we can see the in the left side in the floor plan we can see the VL means boundary level, FS means the floor slab, and FL means the first floor level or level first level, and this is the GS means the ground floor, the ground flooring, and next GL means the ground level, which is the consistent the starting edge point is known as the ground level. This is the parapet wall, means parapet wall towards the upper direction. It basically consists and towards the building of the top surface with the parapet wall. And next, the levels was completed. Now go for the plan segment. Further, we should select the ground level, which is consist as a GL, and next we should little more zoom in, and we can take the values. For these values we can calculate here, and further go for the architects and click on the wall and option. Here we can change as the boundary level is the 140 mm is the boundary and click on it, and this is the length of the 62 feet. Further 62 feet and enter it. It will be towards the downward, and next zoom out. It is will consist and 53 feet 10 inches. Further 53 feet and 10 inches. Enter it. It will be coming towards further, and here and click on escape, and next 52 inches 53 feet 2 inches towards it, which and the left side. Further click on wall and click on this, zoom it little much, and towards click on it, and towards the downward direction. It is now 53 feet 2 inches, and enter it. Little much zoom out and click on here towards zoom it and click on it. Okay, here we can see the out of the wall. For this and escape. For this to select you give the level. For this basic the top consists as a BL means boundary level. Click on apply. It will be consistent with boundary level. You can see in the 3D view. See here the boundary level was completed towards the 3 feet. This is the given was the 3 feet was given the which the boundary level is 4 feet. So for that we can see here the how was the level was added for these value. So okay, and next go for the ground level flooring. Now first of all we should draw the inner walls. So inner walls we should draw. We should select this one and towards the somewhat right side and escape it. And next this is the main row. Okay, it will be consist as 3 feet, the spacing garden, the 3 feet, 3 feet here, also some 3 feet, and here also 3 feet 6 inches for this, and here also 3 feet 6 inches, and toward the area 3 feet 6 inches. This is the only 3 feet. So for that, and click on the wall section, take a offset here. Here we can change offset is 3 feet 6 inches. Click on enter. Here towards the right side and click on it. Here also towards the right, upward direction toward the left side. Okay, next it will be consist as 3 feet and enter it. Here we should click on towards the downward, and next little more zoom in. It will be consist as like we can see here, and further you should take a trim, TR enter. It will be trim. It will be consist like this, and this wall also. Okay, like this we should select the wall. Okay, the wall was completed here. So for that you should click on the wall section. I want to change the wall as 9 mm. For that I want to change 200 mm. Okay, this will be considered, and click on the edit option here. We can edit option here, click on it. We can change as the length is 9 inches wall and enter it. Click on OK here and click on apply here, and next click on OK. It will be considered towards the wall section. For that, and escape it, this wall also, outer wall also we should select. It will be consist as a 5 inches wall. Okay, click on the edit option here and click on edit here, and we can change as a 5 inches wall and click on enter it and click on OK. Click on apply it here and click on OK. It will be consist. And next we should draw the inner. We should draw the walls of the bedrooms, kitchen, halls, etc., etc. We should draw. Further, we should take the this plan, and we should take a 14 feet 6 inches for this value here, and click on the wall section. Click on the offset here, 14 feet and 6 inches. Enter it. Okay, it will be okay. Click on it and escape. And next this wall was completed for this section, and next for this section I want to draw this is my 15 feet. Further here click on it, click on option here, and this is the 15 feet and click on enter. Click on enter and escape. The 15 feet was completed. And here I want the wall section is 4 feet, 7 feet, and 7 to and 7. Okay, this is the 4 feet. For that I want here also some wall is there, and it will be consist as a 13 feet. Further I want to add 13 feet here, and click on the offset here. We can change as 13 feet. Enter it, and we can here we can click on it. Okay, enough. It will be consist as it will be 4 feet and enter it. It's okay. here take a 7 feet, click on enter it, click on it and escape it, and this is my wall is 11 feet and 11 feet. Further take a offset here and click on 11 feet, enter it, enter 11. Okay, 1 2 3 4 shots. Here I want to go to 4 shots. 1 2 3 and so for that, thank you.